Welcome. In front of me I have GIGASET GS190 and I'm going to show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. So when I go for Gmail, you can check that I'm logged in with 2 accounts. I want to remove one of them, so we have to go for the right upper corner, click to manage accounts on this device, and then pick account that we want to remove. I'm going for the last one, tap on the remove, confirm, and there it is. When we go back for our Gmail, after a few moments this second account will disappear, so you have to wait a little bit. As you can see, it happens right now. So that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.